In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 ounces of broken lasagna pasta, 5 potatoes cubed, 1 onion diced, 1 pepper diced, 1 tomato diced, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 cup of smoked bacon. In a pot overheat, we're going to add in the smoked bacon and we're going to cook until it's completely cooked. Once the bacon is completely cooked, we're going to scoop it out and we're going to place it into a glass bowl. To the same pot, we're going to add in the broken lasagna pieces. We're going to cook the lasagna pieces until they start to become brown. Once brown, we're going to scoop them out and place them into a glass bowl. In the pan, we're going to add in the diced onions and the pepper and sauté them. Add in the tomato and continue to sauté. Add in the garlic. Season with the salt and pepper. Add in the potatoes. Season with the paprika. Add in 2 cups of water. Season with the chicken bouillon. Add in another 4 cups of water. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil. Now we're going to add in our lasagna pieces. Add in half of the parsley. Cover with a lid and we're going to cook this until the potatoes and lasagna pieces are completely cooked. Once the soup is done cooking, we're going to place it into a bowl. Top with parsley and our smoked bacon. Now our soup is ready to be served. We hope you enjoy.